Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, I just picked up the Tomei exhaust. I had to go to the UPS store because I wasn't aware that I had to sign for the package. I've never done that before with my old Tomei when I had for the G35. We're going to my friend Ryan's place. Again, if you missed my last video where we put on the test pipes, that's my friend Ryan. We're going back to his place to install the Tomei, the white pipe and the extension pipe, and we'll have a full bolt-on exhaust besides the headers. Okay. Now to grab this bad boy. Still in the white pipe and extension pipe. Also, I will tell you guys, I do have the IPO front bumper getting prepped right now for paint, so we should be having that on very, very soon, and it'll be the first piece of the IPO body kit. All right, we got the white pipe and we got the Tomei exhaust brand new in the box. I'm at Ryan's place. We got the G37 in the garage. Let's get the G37 jacked up and start the install. Like I said in my last video, if you don't know how to jack up your car. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to open the box with the, whatever the heck this is. Ryan gave it to me, so it's just so effortless to open. I remember this was such a pain last time. What the heck? Oh, it's so beautiful. All right, we got the resonator section. We got the mid pipe section right here. And last but certainly not least, we got the humongous Tomei exhaust muffler section. Silencer, some of our materials, and we also have our clamps and our muffler strap right there. All right, first order of business, let's get the white pipe on. All right, going down my exhaust system right here. We're gonna be unbolting the test pipes on each side so we can replace this section right here with the white pipe, which means we'll also have to take off the entire thing. I'm very squished under the car. We already disconnected the hangers from in the middle down there, but we're about to take the axle back mufflers, disconnect them real quick, and then we can disconnect everything and just slide the mufflers off. All right, I believe this will be the correct form for the Tomei for the 370 or G37. I just kicked my muffler. Right here we have the gasket that goes between the resonator section and the white pipe that we have right there. All right, well, I put together the Tomei, put all the clamps and everything in. Ryan went ahead and took off everything, pulled everything out. All right, now that we got the white pipe bolted up and everything, we'll put the gaskets in. We have the extension pipe, which is already bolted up with it, but it was just a super quick bolting thing. Now all we have to do is put the gasket in and bolt the Tomei up to here and have it run all the way back out over here. All right, Ryan's taking care of hooking up the Tomei to the extension pipe, and this is what we're looking like so far. It looks so good. So I have a 12-inch extension pipe, and that doesn't seem like it's sticking out enough, at least for my liking. So we might have to upgrade to a 14-inch or more. All right, Ryan, like last time, you have the honors of starting her up. Let's see what the Tomei sounds like. Oh, I'm so excited. This is gonna be so loud. Oh, that's fucking loud. Oh, God. Dude. Oh, no, what did I do? The camera definitely doesn't do justice on this, but oh my God. What did I do? No. Ryan just like took the car just like down there and back, and he barely revved it. Fucking car alarm went off. Ryan stole the car. The Tomei's on it. No, dude.
I think it does pop.
Bro, do you smell that?
I don't smell anything.
It smells good. Oh no, there's cars waiting for me. Oh God. I feel pressure. Holy shit. Oh, fuck! That sounds so good! Oh! We gotta get away from the area first, so I'm just gonna drive somewhere. 1960s that way, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go this way. Bro, that's so loud, dude. Alright, I'm gonna have Ryan take it for a spin because I want to hear it on the outside. He's gonna go down to that light and come back here. God damn it, dude.
Not even a little bit.
You ready?
Nope.
Oh. You ready now?
Yeah.
Oh my
my god, dude. What the actual fuck? Oh my god.
Ryan missed second gear, everybody. There she is. I love loud cars. There's no reason for that. I hope everyone enjoyed the video. I'm shaking right now from how insane that was. Oh my god. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, above_hunter. I post a lot on there, so make sure to follow me on Instagram. Also, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications, and make sure to like the video down below if you did enjoy the video. And we will be getting tuned very, very soon, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And without further ado, I guess that'll end the video. Peace out. I'll catch you guys later.